like all business owners, we are working feverishly to constantly keep not only our businesses strong, but also growing. And so like you, we are always in search of new products that we can develop and bring to the market. Some efforts we embark on can be started and completed in the same day. Some take weeks, some take months, some take years. And we're doing all of those simultaneously. So when I started investigating the opportunities to embed insurance within the platform, it became very clear there were already some ready-made products, one of which was the event host liability piece that was going to benefit directly the end clients, the hosts that are throwing events. We could have made a choice at that time to just slam it into the client checkout view and provide it for end clients to check out, and the clients would have benefited, Good Shuffle would have benefited, but our vendors wouldn't have really benefited in a way that we want them to in everything that we built. So we didn't do it. And we worked for 18 months to create a product that would genuinely, truly, and fully benefit our direct customers for every client, for every project that they're executing. And at that point, it became very clear we had something that was very compelling, a huge value add for everyone, and a huge win for everyone. And that's what we're launching today. What is unique is our direct customers, the small business owners, also receive up to $10,000 of inland marine coverage that will protect their inventory against theft, severe damage, if it's at the event or if it's in transit by the clients. This kind of protection has never existed before that the client could purchase, which was especially crystallized when I got married in November, is that I was told as a event host to go purchase event insurance because our venue required it. I was the most uneducated consumer that had to purchase this thing that was one of 80 things on a checklist of things that I had to buy. I came across some websites that were just pretty shoddy, and I wasn't sure if they were legitimate or if I was being scammed. That was something that occurred coincidentally with the formation of this product that just really was driving home the gap that existed in the events industry. This new insurance product sits primary in front of our customers' insurance policies, whether that's just general liability insurance or if some of our customers happen to have already been able to afford inland marine. You can think of it like it's a shield in front of yourself and your own insurance. So all of the claims are going to hit that shield first. And in the event that you suffered, let's say $15,000 worth of damage, this shield, this insurance policy that the client has purchased will absorb up to $10,000 of that, which means now there's just $5,000 left that you are filing against any insurance policy that you may have, which means you're filing fewer to zero claims, and if the claims that you are filing will be for a significantly smaller dollar amount, which means you're less likely to have your rates increased or to be dropped. We are of the belief that customers want to do business with companies they trust. We have spent a lot of effort in the client checkout experience that we've created to create that sense of trust and safety, and we believe this goes even further to convey that sense to the end client that they are being proactively looked after and being given the opportunity to protect themselves in a way that they never have before. With this product, what we're hoping to do is reduce the anxiety that may occur when you're faced with, say, $7,000 worth of damage, critical items that you need in order to execute the jobs you have coming up, later on in your busy season. Where's that money going to come from? Have you received payment from your other clients on time in order to rebuy those critical assets that you need to execute those later jobs? This can help reduce that anxiety. This gives you a policy that you can file a claim against to be made whole, to recover that inventory and keep your business humming along as if it never happened. It's important to highlight that you have a lot of control here. You can turn it on and off at the account level or at the company level, the contact level, or you can turn it on and off at the project level. It really just depends on the customer you're working with. We've also published a lot of really great content. Check out our blog on damage waivers, inland marine insurance, general liability policies. We also invite you to click the chat bubble in the bottom right-hand corner and ask us any questions that you have. We're always available and love to hear from you. I feel very confident that we've created something that truly takes care of everyone, and that's something that I'm very excited about.